We live in a world of incredible technological advancement. Amidst all this innovation, a new technology is quietly revolutionizing the way we design, manufacture, and even heal 3D printing. Imagine a world where you could create almost anything you can imagine simply by designing it on a computer and pressing print. It's a process that builds three-dimensional objects layer by layer from a digital design. The implications of this technology are staggering, touching nearly every aspect of our lives. But how does it actually work? Let's delve into the fascinating world of 3D printing and explore the intricate dance between digital design and physical creation. At its core, 3D printing is a deceptively simple process. It all starts with a digital 3D model, created using computer-aided design software. This model is then sliced into hundreds or even thousands of thin, horizontal layers. The printer heats up a filament of material, typically plastic or metal, until it reaches a molten state. The nozzle moves with incredible precision, guided by the digital instructions from our sliced 3D model. As each layer cools and solidifies, it bonds with the layer beneath it, creating a strong and durable structure. Imagine designing a complex part with intricate internal channels, impossible to manufacture using traditional methods. This is the true revolution of 3D printing, the ability to break free from the constraints of traditional manufacturing and unleash a wave of innovation across countless industries.
Now, let's venture into the factories and workshops of the future, where 3D printing is transforming the very nature of manufacturing. For centuries, we've relied on subtractive manufacturing, carving away material like Michelangelo chipping away at marble to reveal David. But 3D printing flips the script, building objects from the ground up, adding material only where it's needed. This fundamental shift unlocks a world of possibilities. Imagine creating complex parts with intricate internal geometries, structures that would be impossible to produce using traditional methods. This newfound freedom of design empowers engineers and designers to think beyond the constraints of traditional manufacturing. They can create lighter, stronger, and more efficient components, optimized for performance and sustainability. One of the most immediate and impactful applications of 3D printing is in the realm of prototyping. Traditionally, creating a prototype was a time-consuming and expensive endeavor. 3D printing shatters these time and cost barriers. With a 3D printer in-house, designers and engineers can go from digital design to physical prototype in a matter of hours. This rapid prototyping capability allows for faster design iterations, quicker feedback loops, and ultimately, a more efficient and cost-effective product development cycle. Imagine you're designing a new ergonomic handle for a power tool. With 3D printing, you can quickly create multiple prototypes with subtle variations in shape and size. This iterative process, fueled by the speed and affordability of 3D printing, leads to better products faster.
For decades, mass production has been the dominant paradigm in manufacturing. But what if we could create products tailored to the unique needs of each individual, a world of mass customization? This is another exciting frontier where 3D printing is making its mark. Imagine ordering a pair of running shoes that are 3D printed to match the precise contours of your feet, providing unparalleled comfort and support. Or picture a world where you can design your own jewelry, customizing every detail from the shape of the pendant to the intricate engravings. This is the promise of mass customization, and 3D printing is making it a reality. By combining the speed and affordability of digital manufacturing with the ability to create highly customized designs, 3D printing empowers consumers to become co-creators. This shift towards personalization can lead to increased customer satisfaction, stronger brand loyalty, and ultimately, a more sustainable and ethical approach to manufacturing.
As we've seen, 3D printing is transforming the manufacturing landscape, offering unprecedented freedom of design, rapid prototyping capabilities, and the potential for mass customization. But the true power of 3D printing lies not just in what it can do today, but in the boundless possibilities it holds for the future. Imagine a world where factories are no longer massive, centralized facilities, but rather distributed networks of smaller, more agile, 3D printing hubs. These microfactories could be located closer to customers, reducing transportation costs and emissions while enabling local production on demand. This vision of distributed manufacturing, powered by 3D printing, has the potential to revolutionize global supply chains, making them more resilient, sustainable, and responsive to local needs. From printing entire buildings to creating custom-designed medical implants, the possibilities are limited only by our imagination.
From the moment we're born, our bodies are marvels of intricacy and resilience, capable of healing and adapting in extraordinary ways. But sometimes, illness or injury can test our body's limits, demanding innovative solutions to restore health and well-being. Enter 3D printing, a technology that's ushering in a new era of healing, one customized implant and bioengineered organ at a time. Imagine a world where surgeons can practice complex procedures on 3D printed replicas of a patient's organs, tailored to their unique anatomy. Picture a future where children born with heart defects receive life-saving implants, perfectly sized for their tiny bodies. Gone are the days of one-size-fits-all medical devices and lengthy wait times for organ transplants. 3D printing empowers medical professionals with the tools to deliver personalized care, tailored to each patient's specific needs. Section 2. Prosthetics. Restoring mobility, empowering lives. For individuals living with limb loss, regaining mobility is often a long and arduous journey. Traditional prosthetics, while functional, can be heavy, uncomfortable, and lack the natural movement of a human limb. 3D printing is changing the game, offering lighter, more affordable, and customizable prosthetics that are empowering amputees of all ages. Imagine a young child, born without a hand, receiving a 3D printed prosthetic that fits perfectly, allowing them to grasp objects, play with toys, and experience the world with newfound dexterity. Picture a veteran injured in the line of duty, fitted with a 3D printed prosthetic leg that enables them to walk, run, and even dance with confidence. This is the transformative power of 3D printing in prosthetics. Section 3. Medical Marvels. Customized devices, on demand. Beyond prosthetics, 3D printing is revolutionizing the way medical devices are designed, manufactured, and implanted. From surgical instruments to dental implants, 3D printing enables the creation of customized solutions tailored to each patient's unique anatomy and medical needs. Imagine a surgeon preparing for a complex spinal surgery. Using a 3D printed model of the patient's spine, created from their CT scans, the surgeon can plan the procedure with pinpoint accuracy, anticipating challenges and optimizing their approach. This personalized planning can lead to shorter operating times, reduced blood loss, and faster recovery times for patients. And in the realm of dentistry, 3D printing is transforming the way dental restorations are created. Section 4. Bioprinting. The future of regenerative medicine. While 3D printing is already making waves in healthcare by creating customized medical devices and prosthetics, its true potential lies in the realm of bioprinting, a groundbreaking field that aims to create living tissues and organs using 3D printing technology. Imagine a world where patients suffering from organ failure no longer have to wait for a donor, but can instead receive a bioprinted organ created from their own cells. Picture a future where damaged tissues can be regenerated in the lab, offering new hope for treating injuries and diseases that were once considered incurable. Bioprinting works by using a specialized 3D printer to deposit layers of bioink, a material containing living cells, onto a scaffold. The ultimate goal is to bioprint fully functional organs for transplantation, a feat that would revolutionize organ transplantation and address the critical shortage of donor organs worldwide.
Beyond the body 3D printing in fashion and design, we often think of clothing and accessories as mass-produced, with rows upon rows of identical items. But what if we could create garments tailored to our unique body shapes, personal styles, and even moods? 3D printing is weaving its way into the fashion industry, bringing with it a new era of customization and self-expression. Imagine slipping on a dress that drapes perfectly on your frame, its intricate patterns woven with threads of shimmering gold, printed directly onto the fabric. Picture athletes wearing custom-designed shoes that respond to their every movement, providing support and enhancing performance. 3D printing allows designers to experiment with complex geometries and materials that would be impossible to achieve using traditional textile manufacturing methods. This newfound freedom of design is not only changing the aesthetics of fashion, but also its sustainability. A taste of innovation, 3D printing in food. The culinary world is constantly evolving, pushing the boundaries of flavor and presentation. 3D printing offers chefs and food enthusiasts a new palette of possibilities. Imagine printing intricate chocolate sculptures or personalized pizzas. 3D food printing works by extruding edible inks layer by layer. Chefs can craft edible masterpieces with architectural precision. It holds potential for personalized nutrition plans. Imagine printing a meal tailored to your dietary needs. As technology matures, 3D printing will transform our kitchens.
Building the future, brick by brick 3D printing and construction. For millennia, we've constructed buildings brick by brick, beam by beam. But what if we could print entire structures with the push of a button? 3D printing is revolutionizing construction with faster build times and reduced waste. Imagine a giant robotic arm extruding concrete like a baker piping frosting. This robotic mason works tirelessly, bringing blueprints to life with precision. This is the future of construction, transforming sites into scenes from a science fiction film. Expanding horizons 3D printing in space and beyond. From the depths of our oceans to the vastness of space, 3D printing is pushing the boundaries of exploration. Imagine astronauts printing tools and habitats on demand, reducing the need to carry everything from Earth. In space, where resupply missions are costly, manufacturing on demand is invaluable. 3D printing allows astronauts to create tools and equipment from available raw materials. Scientists envision using 3D printing to create habitats on the Moon or Mars. From the ocean floor to space, 3D printing is expanding our understanding of the universe.
As we've journeyed through the diverse landscapes of 3D printing, from factory floors to operating rooms, one theme emerges: limitless possibility. This technology, once science fiction, is now reshaping industries and sparking innovation. Imagine a world where personalized medicine is the norm, with custom implants and medications tailored to our genetic makeup. Picture printing sustainable housing on demand, providing shelter after natural disasters or in urban environments. Envision space exploration reaching new heights with 3D printed tools, habitats, and food on other planets. These are glimpses into a future 3D printing is shaping. The potential is boundless, limited only by our creativity. We're witnessing the convergence of 3D printing with AI and biotechnology, accelerating progress. Challenges like ethics, environmental impacts, and job displacement must be addressed. With responsible innovation, we can create a sustainable future for all.
While the potential benefits of 3D printing are vast and inspiring, we must also acknowledge the challenges and potential downsides. One pressing concern is job displacement, as 3D printing automates manufacturing processes. However, history shows technological advancements create new industries and job opportunities. The key lies in fostering a workforce skilled in digital technologies. Another crucial consideration is the environmental impact of 3D printing. Research into eco-friendly materials and responsible disposal methods is essential. The future of 3D printing is not something that will simply happen to us. It's something we will actively shape through our choices and actions. By fostering dialogue and prioritizing ethical considerations, we can harness 3D printing to benefit all of humanity. Imagine a world where 3D printing empowers developing nations, improving healthcare, education, and economic growth. Picture a future where personalized learning tools revolutionize education, making knowledge accessible to all. Envision a society with open-source designs for essential goods, empowering communities to address local challenges. Guided by social responsibility and ethical innovation, we can create a more equitable and sustainable future.
The universe is filled with wonders, from the intricate dance of galaxies to the elegant complexity of a single atom. Humanity's quest to explore has driven us to create tools and innovations that reshape our world. 3D printing empowers us to transform imagination into reality. Embrace the revolution. Explore 3D printing in your field, whether it's engineering, medicine, or art. Engage in conversations about the ethical implications of this technology. The future is not to be predicted, but created. With 3D printing, the power to create a future reflecting our dreams is within our grasp. Let us use this power wisely, with courage and compassion, for the betterment of all humankind.